Sir.
Very good, Abid. So quickly now write the heading in your book fast. I'll give you 20 seconds, not more than 20 seconds. Quickly write this black color heading. This whole thing write in a book. Quickly, fast, 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 fast. You have only 20 seconds. After writing, give me a thumbs up, okay? Very good. I saw Isa giving a thumbs up. Isa has already finished writing. Very good, Isa. Very good, Isa. I saw a thumbs up. Very good, Isa. I saw a thumbs up. Even Ume is finished. Very good, Ume Zainab. Even Ajmal finished writing. Very good. Ajmal also finished writing. Even Abiz finished writing. Very good, Abiz. Let's wait for Sakai for some time. Very good. Even Sakai finished. All of you pat on your back. Pat on your back. Pat for yourself. I can see Abiz doing, Ume doing, Ajmal doing. Wow, Sakai. Wow, Isa. Very good. Now let's start our class. Okay. What is the first number we have? First number we have is 352 plus 226. Now class, I want all of you to stop writing. Abhi next 5 minutes के लिए you will not write anything. You will only listen to me. क्योंकि ये बहुत important है. If you listen to me now, then आप अकेले में आराम से कर सकते हो उसको. Next 5 minutes. All of you keep your pencils down. I can see Sakai keeping his pencil down. Abis kept his pencil down. Ajmal Umar is very good. Everyone kept a pencil down. 5 minutes full concentration. We'll listen to sir. Okay? Very good. So we'll be adding the number 352 plus 226. Here, why I'm giving a question mark? This is here we'll write the answer. Okay? Let's start doing. What's the first step we'll do? First step is we will write the numbers correctly. We will write the numbers like this. We'll write before you used to write the numbers to one below one number, 25 plus 8 or 35 plus 21 like that. So we'll write number like this. We'll write all number like this. 352 plus 226. Here, below units place, you'll write units place, tens place, and hundreds place. That I'll show you next now. Okay? Next, will we write all 100? Next, we'll write on the right hand side. We'll write hundreds place, tens place, units place. It's very important. Ajmal, will you skip writing this? या आप ये लिखोगे 100 tens place units place? You will write. Very good, Ajmal. आपको ये लिखना है. Okay, you should not skip this. ये बहुत important है. Okay, we'll write hundreds tens place. After this, what will we write? What number do we have with us? What is the first number? First number is 352. This is the first number, correct? पहले first number इधर हम इधर लिखेंगे. We'll write the first number here. How will you write? You will write in tens place. Tens place you will write 2. Units place you will write 2. Tens place you will write 50. Hundreds place you will write 300. 352 का expand form यही है ना? Is this correct? Now let me check. Abid should not write. You should listen to me now. Okay, very good. This sum will write Now I have one question who will ask. I'll ask Isa. Isa, can you listen? If you can listen to me, please come out of unmute. Mute. Very good, Isa. अभी हमने इधर here we tried writing 352's expand form, correct? Now,
Yeah.
what will be? Oh, 1 second. What will be 226 expand form? हम इधर क्या लिखेंगे 100 के प्लेस में इधर? What will I write here? For this, we should write 200. Now, listen. This 226 number is there, no? That you have to expand and write. Correct? जैसे हमने 352 को इधर हमने expand करके लिखा है ना? So now tell me, how do I expand 226?
Answer बोल दे.
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
200.
Yes.
20.
Yes.
Plus 6.
Very good, Isa. That's how we'll let expanded form. Now, shall we check if Isa's answer is correct or wrong? Let's check. Let's check. Isa told correct answer. 200 plus 20 plus 6. Correct answer, Isa. 200 plus 20 plus 6. So, हम पहले जो number दिए हैं ना इधर, like this, we'll write in an expanded form. Will we write? अभी हम 300 ऐसे लिखे 300. Sorry, my hand is a little bad here. Try adjusting. 300 plus 50 plus 2. ऐसे लिख के will we write next to it again? We'll write here 200 plus 20 plus 6. Now, Sakai, can you answer me, Sakai? Will we write like this? We'll write like this in a straight line. Will we write in a straight line like this? If yes, give me a thumbs up. If no, give me a thumbs down. Thumbs up. No, we should not write like this. This is the wrong method of writing. We should not write like this. Always you should write one number here. उसके ठीक नीचे ही, so you will write second number. This is how we should write. Units place के नीचे unit place ही आएगा, tens place के नीचे tens place ही आएगा, hundreds place के नीचे hundreds place ही आएगा. Okay, this is how we should write. Should not write like this in a straight line. That will be wrong. Okay. Now let's see how will we do next. After this, now who will do the addition? First addition. Okay, Abis, can you do what is 2 plus 6? Can you do for me? Answer.
What's that?
Can you do this answer? Can you tell me the answer of 2 plus 6?
2 plus. Yes, sir.
How will you do? Bigger number in mind, 6. Smaller number in hand, how much?
Smaller number in hand.
2.
7, 8.
Very good. Use your fingers. Your fingers are very precious. I'll repeat once again. Now all of you come off unmute and repeat after me. Good, Sakai. Waiting for Isa, Umesh and Ajmal to come off mute. Good, Umesh now. Waiting for Isa and Ajmal. Very good, Isa. Very good, Ajmal. You'll all repeat after me now. Bigger number 6 in mind.
6 in mind.
Smaller number 2 in hand.
2 in hand.
After 6.
After 6. 7.
Very good. Now all of you go back on mute. Very good, very fast. Sakai is waiting for Sakai to go on mute. Very good, Sakai. Very good. Super. Let me check the answer. Did we all get correct answer? Let me check now. 8. We got correct answer. Very good. Now we'll go to we finished units place. हमेशा हम units place से शुरू करेंगे. We'll always start from unit place and then we'll go like this. This direction we'll go. Okay. We'll start from unit place and go to left side. How do you write Urdu? Urdu हम कैसे लिखेंगे? Left side लिख के ऐसे लिख के आएंगे ना? Same way in doing maths also should always start from you should always start from right side and go to left. जैसे हम उर्दू लिखते हैं वैसे ही you'll always start from right and go to left while doing maths. If okay, give me a thumbs up. Very good, very good, very good. Okay. Now let's do the tens place. This is the tens place. Okay. This is tens place. We'll do tens place. Now I want Ajmal, can you answer me what is 50 plus 20?
15 plus 20.
Yes.
5. My hand up to 5 is 7. 7.
7 or 70? Tens place. See, I'll teach you how to do tens place. Okay. While we're doing tens place, we'll count 10, 20. पहले हम 1, 2, 3 count करते हैं ना. Instead of tens, we'll do 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Correct? जब हम units place करेंगे, we'll do 1,
Yes,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When we do tens, we'll use tens place. Okay? Now, Ajmal, can you tell me what is 50 plus 20? Bigger number in mind. What is bigger number?
15.
Now, all of you come up on me and repeat after me.
Bigger number is mine.
50.
Smaller
2 in
In
20
hand.
hand.
After 50, 60.
60,
What after 60? 70. Very good.
70.
Now, all of you go back on mute. Very good, Abis. Come on. Yes, good, Abis. Very good. So now let's check our answer, which is correct answer. Okay. We did 70, no? 70. We got right answer. All of you pack on your bag. Come on, pack on your bag fast. Very good, Sakai. Very good. Very good, Abis. Very good, Isa. Very good, Ajam. Very good, Abis. Now let's do 100th place. I want Abis to do the 100th place. Okay, Abis? Ready, Abis? Come up on mute. Very good. This is the 100th place, correct? We are doing the 100th place. Now, Abis, can you do the 100th place with me? How much is 300 plus 200?
Where is the 100 places?
Which is this 100th place? Can you see?
Where?
Can you see the blue color? This is 100th place. We have 300, we have 200. As I told, 10th place you will do 10, 20, 30. 100th place you will do 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. This is like this you will do. I can see Isa on mute. What happened, Isa? Very good, Isa. Thank you, Isa. Let's go, Abis. Can we start? Which is in mind? Yes, Sakai? Abis, I heard Sakai telling, but I think both of you lost. Tell me, Sakai. Okay, let Abis switch off phone. Can Abis use your phone? You both can study from one phone.
Okay, sir.
Very good, very good. So now, Abis, can you tell me answer this one for me? 300 plus 200, how much you will get?
क्या करूँ? ब्लूटूथ नहीं आ रहा ना।
ब्लूटूथ डालना सो
Yes, sir. Go to the
Ready, Abis? Can you tell the answer? 300 plus 200, how will we do?
तू लिखा है अब इसमें
अभी भी लिखना है यार अभी सेवन कम करना करते ये तेरा मेरा भाई आप एक पेपर लेकर
Abis.
इसमें
ये यस 53 BT
Can you hear me, Abis?
काली हाँ
Can you hear me?
क्या लिखना से अभी डालो क्या लिखूंगा अरे क्या लिखना
Can you hear me, Abis?
कितना डालो अभी ऐसा
Can you hear me now? जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ आपको सुनाई दे रहा
Yes,
है?
sir.
Very good. So now I'll tell you how to do this one. Let's go on mute. Okay? All of you come up on mute and tell the answer. Repeat after me. 300 in mind. 200 in hand. Small number 200 in hand.
200 in hand.
After 300.
After 300.
400.
300.
What will be this?
500.
Very good, Isa. 500. Now repeat once again after me. 300 in mind.
300 in mind.
200 in hand.
200 in hand.
After 300.
300.
400.
400.
500. So find is the answer, kids.
500.
Very good. Now let's check the answer. Okay. Let's check the answer. What is the answer?
500.
500
500. That's the correct answer. Now, will I leave only इसी को answer छोड़ दूंगा? No, I'll write answer here. You have to write the answer. Here we'll write the answer. We'll write the answer here. What is 500 plus 70 plus 80? What is this? Who can tell me the answer? Silent hand.
578 बोल आंसर
578
It's okay. Isa is very energetic. Very good, Isa. Next time, raise your hand, okay? Answer is 578. Umesh, I'll give you a chance next time. He's already told the answer. 578. So how will 578? Where will I write 578? I'll write 578. Here, below I'll write 578. Okay? This is the final answer now. Class, I'll give you 1 minute time. Can you write down very fast? Is whatever is in black color, 1 minute time, write fast in your notebook.